Hello beaders, welcome to Ubuchule Bezandla Beadwork. If you are new to this channel, we are beading. We learn how to bead. Ne? So the reason why I came here, I want to respond to Happy Mpanza's comment that she posted in my previous post about break stitch. Okay, I'm going to read the comments, Happy Mpanza's comment. So iti okay, please wait kancane nje. Alright, uthi uhappy. Hi Sisi, you are so patient, thanks a million. But every time I try to copy you, mine become loose. Okay, so get happy. I'm assuming that you were copying how to do brick stitch. So I'll show you how to make your beaded brick stitch piece strong. First, you must know that these hands, these two fingers, are very important to make your beaded piece strong. And then the other hand, you bead with it, and then you hold your piece or your beads with these two fingers to make it strong. But I will show you how to do it. Alright, but mina, I'm left-handed, so I use this hand to hold my beads, and then I use this to hold a needle and a thread. Okay, so I'm assuming if maybe you are right hand, then you will use this hand to hold your needle and a thread, and then you use these two fingers to hold your beads. So make sure that these two fingers, you hold your beads with these two fingers to make it strong. Yeah, bon. So it's very easy. I-brick stitch ke akukho lula into yobana ibe loose ngoba uyatsala nje kuphela. You just pull your thread, making sure that you are using these two fingers. So please ndicela uhlale phansi ndiza kubonisa ke ngoku demonstrate with you ukubana ubamba kanjani with this. So ndizobe ndisenza ntoni, I will make brick stitch, a very short brick stitch beading to show you how to hold beads with these two fingers and make your beaded piece very strong. Alright ke bethunana, ndizake ndinibonise ke ngoku. Happy Mpanza, I hope you see this video. Alright, get happy. I'm here to help you on how to make your beaded brick stitch strong. Yeah, bon? Please note that I said these two fingers to hold your beads, ne? And then this one, this side, to hold your to hold your needle and a thread. Okay, so we are starting a first line. Please guys, ignore my nails. I know that they are old. I need to remove them. I will. Please ignore. Okay, it's just that in the Goa up winter, I don't like winter. Ne week yam guys, please ignore it. I don't know what's going on with me this winter. Alright, happy. I hope that you will see this video. Please take a chair and see how I do it. Okay. We pick two beads, ne? First we pick two beads. This is brick stitch, okay, guys. I'm showing you happy. We pick two beads. You see, this is our first line. Pick two beads, and then you use these hands, these two fingers to hold your beads. You see, these two fingers. You see, use like that, and then you go through this bit. I'm assuming that you have seen my previous video where I show you how to do a brick stitch, but now I want to show you how to make it stronger. Yeah, bon? So here is it. Get happy. Yeah, bon? And then you come back again. Yeah, like that. You add another bead. You go through like this. You see, these two fingers are useful when you are making beads. All right, and then you go through this bit that you just added, and then you add another one. You see? You see? Yeah. I add another bit. Another bit again. Another bit. Yeah. Remember? You add another bit. But i-point apha ke happy is ukubonisa into yobana uyenza kanjani beqini. How do you make it strong? Ingabikho loose. Uyabona? You use these hands. All right. So ndiza kwenza njena i-piece eshort emfutshane. Ingabikho nde. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, let's make it 11. Let's just make it 11 beads. Okay, as if we're making a headband. Now guys, when I make a headband for using brick stitch, I pick 11 beads. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, this is the last one. I pick 11 beads. I don't pick more. Ngaphandle bana ke i-client ufuna ibe thick i-headband yakhe. All right, happy. Uyabona ke ngoku sis, this is the first line. This is our first row, ne? Uyayibona ba i-loose. Can you see that it's loose? So how to make it strong? The first line must be very strong. Uyabona? Because it's the foundation of our piece. Uyabona? So we're going back ke ngoku. You see? Loose this part. So you go back again. You go back. To make it strong, you just double the thread. Ne? You go through these beads until the last, or until the first bead that you started with. Okay. If ubukwazi umuntu ukhomenta nge-picture ye-beads asenzile, benizawuthi kanike nikhomente apha ndinibone if niyafunda na, but ke YouTube you can't comment with a picture. All right, you see ke happy. I hope this is what you did, ne? When you are making a brick stitch. This is what you did. Now we are going to the second line. All right, second line, we pick 2 beads. When you start a new line, you pick 2 beads. You go under this bridge. That's this bridge. Yeah, under that, underneath this part, and then you use these 2 hands, guys. You use these 2 hands again, and then you go through this bead, because I assume that you know how to make a brick stitch. It's just that eyakho iba loose, so use I'm pulling it up. You use these 2 hands to make it strong, and then you add another bead, Then you use these 2 fingers. Yeah. So, and this week, because I know other people will say, no, you did not finish. No, this video was for Happy's comment to show her how to make a brick stitch be strong. Yeah, because ndiyafuna into yobana nithi xa nifunda apha izinto zenu zibe strong. We don't want i-client i-return ii-beads zakho ithi wena umenzele izinto ezilusi. Ngoku xa sezinxibile is wearing these beads emtshatweni zivele ziwe. Can you imagine? I know mistakes ezinjalo ziyenzeka. You know, such mistakes happen. But mayingabikho every time. Yeah. So these hands are very important to make your piece strong. Yeah. So I encourage people ke xa usafunda, I encourage you to use those beads ezingeyo, not check beads like these ones, these strong beads. If you are still learning, please use those cheap beads so that ungabimane ubuqhaqa, uyabona, to undo. And uyabona, ndicela usebenzise cheap beads xa ngaba usafunda, njengo uHappy usafunda. So uba ngasebenzisa these cheap beads until into yakhe ibe strong, and then ke ngoku eze kwezi zidurayo enze the real deal ke ngoku. Uyabona? Uyabona Happy? Eze laa minwe yethu yoyi-2 iyasebenza. So andazi noba uyandiva na Nkosi yam xa ndithetha isiXhosa. Happy Mpanza. Andiyazi, I don't know if maybe you are from Zim. I'm not sure. I've never heard of Mpanza in South Africa. The surname Mpanza. Maybe, I don't know. Or maybe you're Ndebele. Or I don't know. But I'm hoping that you see this video and you learn something. Okay, you see? And funa uphinde futhi uthi inansika yakho iba loose, iza apha, qinisa apha. These 2, qinisa apha. Yibambe uyabona? Yibambe. And you pull with this one. You pull your thread while you are holding with these 2 fingers. Uyabona? Okay. So senza ngolu hlobo ke. Mhlambi kufuneka ndiresponde nakwezinye ii-comments abantu ababuzayo, ndiresponde ngevideo ndibabonise ngoba zininzi into. Alright, abo babuzayo, those who are asking, uyithenga phi? Where do you buy your beads? I think I posted a video where I said I buy my beads from Marabastad. There is contact. Some people will say, guys, how can you ask me to share your contact details of a beaded a shop that sells beads? But I did show you in my video the contact details, but you are saying now I must share. Okay, it's fine. Maybe I should share in the description section, because that is where I noticed that you do not watch this video if I tell you that you buy these beads from Marabastad, and then you tell me, and I said these are the contact details for Calbro stores, and then you go to the comment section and say, Fikiswa, please share the contact details of where you buy your beads. You did not watch the video, you did not complete it. You did not finish that video. Yeah, man. Born. Alright, guys. But okay. Agnan. So, Panza, sis happy. We are coming back to you now. We're still at it using these two hands, okay? Bensazithethe lunch. But how do you ask in numbers ezikhona kwi-video, guys? Alright. But okay, it's fine. So there is someone who said I must, if I have time, can I do a live video to tell how I started to do beading. I'm not sure. And andikayazi kakuhle i-YouTube, so andiyazi i-live ubana ihamba kanjani. But ke ezibe ixesha lihamba sizawude ndibona ubana i-live ihamba kanjani, ndizonixelela into yobana ndandiyifunde ii-beads, because ndandisemncinci the time ndandisenza ii-beads, guys. Okanye while I make my orders ndinibalisele ubana ii-beads ezi ndizifunde phi. Who taught me how to bead, guys? Ndizanixelela mhlawumbi kwenye ivideo xa ngaba ndisenza ii-beads. I'll tell you. Ndinixelele mhlawumbi noba zindincede kanjani ii-beads. Uyabona kule unemployment ingaka apha phandle. Uyabona? Okay. But ke xa sendiready to say that, andifuni into yoba ndiphinde ndinibuze ubana uzotsho yini, uzosixelela nini ubana ii-beads uziqale kanjani. Nizawubona ngam. Okay ke, guys. Alright ke, beaders, I hope I have explained enough to uHappy, uSis Happy. I hope this video will help you. I am not making a order upper. I was just showing uHappy how to make your beaded piece strong. Alright. Again, Happy, these two hands are very important in keeping your pieces strong. These two hands. Alright, guys. So please, guys, thank you so much for commenting on my videos. Thank you so much for coming back to watch these videos, to see how I bead. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Please subscribe, share these videos, and watch the ads. If there are ads, please watch the ads. Alright, okay, guys. Thank you so much, beaders. So, okay, Happy, I am done showing you. I hope you'll come back to this video and see. But it's very easy, sissy. Just keep your two fingers holding your beads, and the other hand you use your needle, while you use your needle and a thread with your other hand. Yeah, man. Use these two hands, sissy. These two hands must hold your beads like that, ne? Like that. and then you pull your thread using your other hand. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.